Hi, everybody. This is Katie from the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you about this week's Play of the Week. I have some awesome news for our commercial, GCC, GCC High, and DoD customers who are using Microsoft Teams and Teams Chat. This new feature will allow users to share contact information of people who are not in a Teams chat to other users. This is a great new feature because in an increasingly remote working world, it's hard to know which people to collaborate with in an organization and how to contact them. I'm excited for this feature to roll out since there is confusion about which other resources are required to complete a project in any organization, and this is especially true for new employees who are still learning the organizational structure. Being able to share contact information with other users and teams will help clear up confusion and help users feel more confident about collaborating across the organization. This feature will be rolling out starting this month in January 2024 to commercial, GCC, GCC High, and DoD customers. Thanks for tuning into this week's Play of the Week, and as always, let us or your IT staff know if you have any questions. Thanks again, and have a great week.